Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some hyper-realistic lips. As always, I start out by freehanding a sketch in using a Caran D'ache 2H pencil, and the rest of this drawing was completed using Copic markers, a UNIBALL SIGNO broad white pigment pen, and coloured pencils. The base layer that I'm using here is a peach colour. I wanted a base layer which was lighter than the final colour that I want to use for the lips, just so that I can have some slightly highlighted areas, which adds another sense of realism and adds a new dimension to areas of the lips. All in all, this took me about 4 hours to complete from start to finish, and I'm really happy with how it ended up. So don't forget, stay till the end. You won't believe how realistic these lips do look towards the end of the video. It's probably the most realistic drawing that I've actually done over the last 2 years, so I'm super happy with how it turned out. I'm using a black Copic marker for the inside of the mouth, and I just went around that with a Faber-Castell Pitt pen just so that I didn't go into the teeth line. For the teeth themselves, although you would think that teeth are always white, I'm actually using a cool grey 1. One of the things that I've learned over the last couple of years is if you leave anything completely white on a drawing, it makes it look flat and unrealistic. So a cool grey 1 is the lightest grey that I use, and I'm just going into the shaded areas of the teeth, so underneath the lips and where the teeth are touching one another. I'm then adding a layer of black pencil crayon. This again is just to bring out the shadowed areas and just define the difference between the lips and the teeth. Again, this adds in a layer of realism. The final details that I get on the teeth is by using a UNIBALL SIGNO broad white pigment pen, just to bring out the highlighted and shiny areas on the teeth. I then went over with a crimson coloured pencil over the lips, just to try and smooth out some of the areas so that my final layer of Copic markers would go on very smoothly and sort of streak free. So I'm using a crimson coloured marker here. The final layer of colour that I'm using for the lips is it's a lipstick red, which is perfect for what I wanted here. As you can see now, the teeth are really starting to stand out because of the contrast between the red lips and the colour of the teeth. We're almost ending the video now, so I'm just almost on the final piece, the final drawing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, send me your requests down below. I'm doing daily videos, and don't forget to hook up with me on social media. All of the links are down below in the descriptions, and I'd really love to hear what you think of this drawing. I'm really happy with it. Don't forget to send me your requests. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.